Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat kiba kongsan menta kasngi kilong. NAKA jingshit kerang kamariang lapen kela shipor yaki kenta long school. Penlong program peliu jingmut ketenat kakuat kakia bat kidukot ke NEHU. Dan tang shispa kendai pu arngut kinong tre sorkar hatem yau maulong. Ban kem ki MLP bat BSF sau pu ar hajar lai spa kilo ke sini na kaput rongra. Tementang ni apai shiki Khubor ke bakam banya. Banya da yaki kena skul kinong tre bat kinong hikai na ka jingshit kerang kamariang hakini kita yau ki bor senshar district West Garo Hills kilapan bena mardor ban pen kela ya kapor long school nadu ka arpo khandai tarik Iaiong hadu shi tarik ujemang kan long no nadu kapor ndriu shi teng baji menstep hadu kapor shi phau baji lakhang bat mana teng ya baro ki school ban penlong ha kapor ka baju long kata khatwe baji menstep hadu lai baji janmin. Kani ka hukum kalong na kabanta baro ki school nadu nursery hadu ki higher secondary school. Laai boru ya kinong penyat school ban khang shipor ya ki school lada Eden kam da kaba pentip shaki bor senshar district katkum ka jinglong kamariang. Kani ka hukum kantre kam mardor nadu ka arpo khandai tarik Iaiong hadu shi tarik jemang. Kani ka hukum kam kta ya ki college ki coaching class bat ki wei ki jaka pule ki bakham hajram.
We have given a partial relief to the schools during this during these movements of high temperature in the Jylla town area. Today, all the schools have been asked to disperse the classes from 10 a.m. onwards. As today was also the school nutrition day, so we did not close down on the schools for today. However, all the classes were asked to be dispersed by 10:30 a.m. For tomorrow and day after tomorrow, all the LP schools and the nursery schools have been asked to shut down or close down. All the UP, the secondary and the higher secondary schools have been asked to proceed for classes between 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. only, and as per their convenience, as per their choice of the timing of this period, so that to ensure that we do not have any classes ongoing between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. This is keeping in mind that education in itself is not about attending the schools. It is also about getting the quality education where the children can participate in a good environment for learning. Furthermore, we are, as per the IMD bulletin, the Indian Meteorological Department's bulletin, we are anticipating a bit of good winds and a little bit of rain post or starting from 1st of May. And we are hoping that this order does not have to be extended. However, if need be and whenever need be, we will be taking requisite action in this regard, taking into account the future prediction of the weather and the current temperature in the district level. There was also the scheduling of the National Deworming Day on 1st of May, which has now been asked to be for the LP schools and the nursery classes. The responsibility has been laid on the headmaster or the principal of the school concerned to either prepone it for today or to postpone it to 2nd of May for the mop-up exercise of the National Deworming Day, which is an important action to be taken by every student, every child, and I hope that everybody is taking steps into this regard. With respect to the heat, furthermore, we would like to urge everybody to ensure that you do not go out of houses unnecessarily if there is hot weather outside. When you are doing, please carry caps and umbrellas. Always carry water with you so that there is no possibility of dehydration to your body. The schools who are conducting the classes during this period shall have the provision of ORS as well as glucose in their premises, and whenever required, they should be able to give it to the children or give to the students who are under the weather because of the heat. Lastly, if there is any situation where the temperature or where the condition of the child has been escalated, then they should take them to the nearest health facility as soon as possible. In addition to the provisions of this order we have to ensure that this also goes out to other institutions. This, however, does not limit the institution's own authority to decide whether they would like to keep the offices or the schools closed as per the local conditions with an intimation to the official of the education department. And we do take into consideration that some schools might feel the need to, taking into account the weather that is going on. All the educational institutions which are in the early morning shifts from 6:30 to 9:30 or 10:30 a.m. or in the evening and night shifts will be unaffected by this order. They can continue to be operational as it is and as per their usual schedule. All the higher education institutions, including colleges or training institutions, shall also be running as usual. It is again left to the office concerned or the authorities of the management of the institute concerned to take a call whether they like to limit the timing of the periods that they are organizing classes for, or close down the institutions again with an intimation to the government official, the education official concerned. With this, I believe that some of the younger kids will at least have respite in this hot weather. I again urge everybody to not conduct or not go out for outdoor activities or sports activities during the warm period of 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and ensure that they take due care about the hydration of their bodies. We have to fight the heat, and for this you should be well aware about the steps that you should take. Please go through the advisories that are issued by the district administration and share it with your friends and families as soon as possible. My best wishes to everybody in this weather.
Haka arpo khandai tarik Iaiong, katanat kakwet kakia West Khasi Hills District, kalapenlong ya kajingalang kabaar, jongkinong tray ka National Health Mission Employee Association of Meghalaya, NEHU, kum shibanta banya peliu jingmut, shibun kikam, haka bayade bat kinong tray haka nika kam ay jing sumar ya kinong pang haka district. Yakane ka jingalang lapenlong ha Bishops Hall Nongston, ha ka jingadan lang ka dbmnTv West Khasi Hills District, Dr. Tariang, Dr. Alistair Lungdo, District President, ka Kong Iba Gempat, District Vice President, but DPM ka West Khasi Hills, u Dr. Dondor Nongsteng, District General Secretary, but kiwei ki dekot, but kinong kit kam ka NEHU, lem bat kinong tray ka tanat ka kwat ka kya. Shu hakani ka jingalang kinong tray ki bahap hapo ka National Health Mission Employee Association jong ka Jylla Meghalaya kila yo ban pensngo bat peliu jingmut shibun ki jing ki ba kinong tray ki yakendo man kapor ban nakaliang jo kinong ya lamru kila kular bakin shimkhia ban pensting ya kita ki jing
Andoi ki Shillong ni tang siu ta kapisa ni hapsia siu kapisa ngepet ki kita kanim te mentang asni ngakong General Secretary jong ka West Khasi Hills ka ong EP kanin kumbang ila prin ka flex kanin ka abbreviation mo ka full form kada National Health Mission Employee Association of Meghalaya kamot baro kinong tray jong ka NHM ila form niya ka association kabala registered house name 2015 how ka after ko na June 2015 but come into force on 2016. Ya kini ka seng ningkong do kelas seng ya kini ginong kitkam jadi ke khmat kalong ningkong do kadai bakit provide yang common platform kamot kido ki benta ki badai nam ta ka eko hisno ne ka eka jing snow ka jong pi hapo ki kam ki ba pitrei jong pi ka e hisno ba phila ban pet snow hapo ka association mod hapo jong ganim te kini kinong tray baro ki bayarap hapo ka NHM ki badan West Khasi Hills Shwa bakin ay lagi views lani ki opinion nani kino ki jingsno ki habanya lingba shwa jong ka association but mangi ki association in sa forward ya ki jingsno ki jong pi hakikam ki batray ba pair jong pi bangin sa forward sa po ka CC but we will take it forward kumbay ang manager secretary jong ka CC siya ki person nani
ang NH ki batray ko NH
Kaseng Bhalang Neutrap Youth Council HYC lengba ka RTI bakalayo na ka Shillong Municipal Board lalap bakidan tang shispa khandai pu arngut ki brieu hak basong hatem yaw maulong ki badai ki nongtrei sarkar na ki lai spa sau pu arteli ki longyeng ki basong hakani ka jaka ki weipat ki brieu ki dei ki batrei ha ki wei ki kam kamai jakpo ke HYC kam persya ya ka sarkar ban ai jaka shong ya la ki jong ki nong trei henrei ka persya ban kedup ya ki breu ki bamdei ki nong trei jongka Kinong yalam jo ke HYC kila kerpat bat kentu ya usembut Menteri Rangba ba Prestun Tensong ban pendap nok lo ya kajing penbet bat kenriak jaka syong yakini kinong tre jo ka Shillong Municipal Board. Ka high level committee jong ka sorkar Jylla kala rai haka nyau tarik urempang ban syong perkhat bat kidekot jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC ban penkenriak jaka syong yakini kibriu syakiwe pat ki jaka henrei hadu menta 4 le AA halor kani kakam.
Kani kade kamien ba jongi ajing sya kade kamien jongka Jylla Meghalaya ba jongi kibri ke mana bar kim don hop hiru ban tuklat ti enrei habaide pat kata kajing lap ka jongi mtang singi bat kajing ajing mut ka jongi yo deputy CM bat kajing pen i ka jongi deputy CM lada kita kiwe kibri ki wan ban tuklat ka syong kajing start jong sorkar kumnu bunde namar hadu hi kajing ya penbet ka bedeng ka sorkar bat kini ginong tre ki jongka ya jing sisa kibri ki banabar kimdei banwan tuklan ngismur ban kerpat ya ka sorkar hapo ka jing long chairman jong u deputy CM bo umdei ban ngap than ya ka jing wan tukla jong kiwi bat kibri umdei ban ai importance ya kita kibri ki buan nabar namar hak khadu hi ka jaka ka jong sorkar kinong syapen kendria kindei hi kinong tre jong ka sorkar hak ba kibri ki banabar kimdon kti telada ka sorkar kasim lane ka importance kita gibreu ngin sngo ban ong bakan de ka sorkar ka ba tulot bor hadu kata-kata ya ka ba kasngap ya kajing ajing mut jong gibreu ki don hok ban ya don benta kata kajing keren apa dengan sorkar ba kinong tre jong ka lengba kini ki RTI ngilam bakan ni kajing tre jong kini gibreu hakan kum ki sweeper kum ki casual ki attendant jong ki kali fair ka along kum kanong genti ka jong ki naman dal adab u paye yo ukupa dal adab ukupa yo ukun kabteng sa kani kakam kung mangitip hi kung kajat benre ki khun samla ki jongi ki perdok persnam ki jongi ru kila anut menta bentre kani kakam kila don ki bala bansar ya ki snong ki thau lane ban but iki kali kitnyot bakum ta ter ti ngila kali naka ni ka Shillong Municipal Board ba haba pitung ki diberi hatu kala don em ka advertisement ba pikhot iki naman ngila ba arja khatnyo dang thung arja khatra dang thung don ku bidang thung arja arpo ru dia bangi keli khot advertisement em ki ong ba umdan advertisement kaumut bala syutung ki hakita ki post ba fair ki ba bitre tena kalem jong kaseng ngila ong yo deputy CM mentan ba kapur kala dai ho ya ki por ki ba mensual si ki jongi kim nut mentre ki ni ki jat kam ki begini bri bitre re ka perthai menta ka jing kerduk kamot ki jongi ki la nut mentre ki ni kam te balai ba on penduk lat iki kon Samla le ni perdok persnam jongi bantre apok ka Shillong Municipal Board la ni apok ka urban affairs tingila ong yu ba ka jing nawa ka jongi nang jong kaseng hakmat jong sorkar kalau banang ni syakmat ka sorkar balak kam hakini ki jat kam ki fair apok Shillong Municipal Board ki dei ban khot da advertisement kena bagi kun Samla ki jongi ki kinyo lat ban thap ya ka kam te kata ka ri ka jing kendu nakaliang ka jongi abai dei ba ka tham yo molong tang si pat deputy CM
ipa jadi statement
CM deputy CM upen pau ke jing sekolah lengo bama uru unang mut begini gilai spak sau artli gilong ying kidi ginong tre jong ka SMB kidi ginong tre jong ki department ba fair abangi peni yo uwi ki RTI ki ba ka SMB ka jubab yang i ula pen pau ke jing sekolah lengo namaru ong ba kat kum ka affidavit ka ba ka Shillong Municipal Board ka file hapo high court na ka file hapo court ki ong balai spak sau artli gilong ying kidi ginong tre jong ka SMB ka jing keli ka long ba manu ba thok monta kat kum ka RTI ka banging yo napok ka Shillong Municipal Board ka pau syai hak i kolom i bangi keli laki tre hapo kanu department bun ki kolom ki e blank kim ya thu tre hai ki don pat
Ki pulit ka Jylla MLP bat ki Border Security Force BSF haka arpu pratarik Iaiong kila yo kem bat kurup palat saupu hajar lai spa kilo ka shini baki nong khayitu khaput kitmu ban shalan sa Bangladesh kani ka shini ka shongdor amduna ya ka khanriu lak tengka kinong khayitu kilaburi ya kani ka shini hakawei ka yingsa ka badon hasenda khaput Bangladesh ya kani ka shini la IT haki pulit ka Ronggara Police Station South Garo Hills banle ya ki jing tokit badan kam halor kani ka kam kadbana khaput East Khasi Hills salayo kem ya ki jan sari ki bathmu ban rungsha Bangladesh ki ba shongdor amduna ya ka lai lak tengka Kawai ke trokit raba kala kemding kensan hakano paisngi arpo khandai tarik Iaiong katba kani ke trok kadang yeng hasurok National Highway Hashnong Jentru Ribhoi District. Kani ke trok kala inglut ploin. Kajinglut na kani kajingja kala kenjo syaki bun paulak tengka. Kani kajing kemding kani ke trok kala jah kapor kumba arba JAA janmit. Kat kum ka jing batai jong unong nya jong kani ka trop, ula ong ba amtip ya kadau balai kani ka kali kala pelu. Ula suba bakala bandai na ka jing thut jong ki waya jong ka. Unong buat ula mensau malu mala na ka jing poi kloi ki pulit pelip ding bat layalam ya us ya civil hospital nong po ban yo ya ka jing sumar. Hadin balaya kendu bat ki he joka Shillong cantonment board bandawa penkenria ya ki breu ki basong bean halom survey menta ka sengipan ka arpo khandai tarik Iaiong. Na kaliang ka neutrap youth council HYC ha ka jingalam jong president ba Roy Kupar Senrem kilalet ban ya kendu ya usembut menteri rangba ka Jylla uba Preston Tensong. Rengkat haka jinga don lang u Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District bandawa na ka sorkar ban le ya kita ki brio namar ka jaka kalalong ka ba isat met bat kabam ikot ikhya. Habakran shakilat pathai Khubor. Hadien ka jinga kundu bat kita ki he sorkar unong yalam jong ka HYC ulaong ka jinga kundu jong ki kadai hadien ba ka seng kalap lengba ka jing jurip baki don ki brio ki ba de tiarjot ki pendon kam ban syong ban sa bean ha kani ka jaka. Kila ongru na kani ka jaka ki jungi ki jing kulmar bat ki jing huri hura hathem yaw maulong.
Bat ka jinglap ka jongi kum kaseng hangti ya ka jing syong jong tigi brio hangti po lum sorbi kepada ha persya jong ka fire emergency station jong ka yodu. Amanda ka singi la yo ban ya keren bat udip TCM ban air ko jing tho au. Pada hari ni meeting ke belalong menta DC jong ka East Kasil su ula don lang. Ha meeting nama bau di TCM ula pentip yo DC jong ka East Kasil ban ya don lang rengkat ni ka jing dawa jong ka seng kalong beda ka basai. Ka baningkong ngilap bakini gibri ki basyong basa akani ka jaka kini gibri ki bam don jing syanya lani ki bang ngimtip ya ka jingwan ka jongki na ai ki wan sya ai gilet ka baar ka long ba ngiyo jing tip bakani ka jaka ka basyong basa angti ka ka jaka ka bapenmi ya shibun ki kam sneer ki kam runar kumjur ki kam khai drugs ba fer kabalai ka bangilap ka to ka jaka to ka singi ka long ba ka don ka business ka ba uwi na armut ki bri ki le ka badi ni ki scrap kat kum ka jing tip ka jongi ka long ba kitu ki try ki balik scrap ki penon kam ki ki bri pat ki basa to ka jaka ti ngilawan ya kendu menta ya u deputy CM bandawa baka sorkar kada bensim kam ngimtip manu belum try kini ka jaka kat kum ka jing tip ka jongi yong baka don ka jing le kis ka cantonment ka kam don ki private parties ki bakam ka jing long concern ka jongi ka dei begini ki bri ki basyong basa bean bat ki balak penkela ban isatmet ban pet ya ka rukom im ka jongki ya ka jing long jing man ka ka jaka kum juru ka jing penmi ya ki kam sneu bat ka babu jing ma ya ka jing long jing man jong ka Jylla hi bro ko ka jing dawa jong ka seng kolong badai ban weng bet ya ki na ka jaka ti u deputy CM hang tu hi ya u DC jong ka East Kasil sulat depan tha ba unkot meeting ya ka cantonment board unkot meeting ya ki pulit bat kiwe ki department ak bau DC ula pentip yang ya jing shaw la bu ya meeting la shai ka singi ka por lai beji ban ya kren be de begni kam te na kaliang jong ka seng ngila ay ka jing tho ngila bu ka jing dawa te ka steps ka ba na kaliang jong ka sarkar ka shim ngin up ka tu kan ni por na marba kumangila ong hi ka jing kwa ka jongi ka long begini ki break ba syong basa be an yang ni ka ka de ban mi balada ka sarkar ni ginu ki por kim shim ya ka jing ki kli ban penmi ikini ki break na kaliang jong ka seng ngila kloy ban shim ka jing kli haladi ka ba lada don kam wat daladi ban let ban weng ni break ngin sale ya kata tingin up shwa ya ka jubab ka bangin yo
Pada kitu ki Khubor ngila poi chaka bakun tar hadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.